This is Rame Head, an area of outstanding natural beauty in southeast Cornwall, whose breathtaking scenery and unsport tranquility have been enjoyed by locals and visitors alike for generations. It's an iconic and timeless part of Cornwall that must be preserved for our children and our grandchildren, but sadly it's now under threat. On the 17th of August 2020, Cornwall Council voted, by a narrow majority of 7/6, to grant planning permission for a modern two-storey house with 27 windows, which is totally inappropriate for the area and which would set a dangerous precedent for future harmful development. The application was approved despite expert advice, including a recommendation for refusal by the Council's own planning officer, the Council's inability to demonstrate that it would be in the public interest, and a deeply flawed and non-transparent decision-making process. There has also been widespread public opposition. Thousands of people are appalled by this result. This is shown by an online petition to reverse the Council's decision that has been signed by more than 1,800 people in less than a week, and over 135 comments objecting to the application on the Council's planning portal, which were all ignored by the Planning Committee. We are Rame Protection Group, a community group who have opposed this decision from the outset. That's why we are now launching our crowdfunding campaign to raise funds for a judicial review. This is now our only chance to have this disastrous and deeply unfair decision reconsidered. We have a legal team appointed, but now we must raise £7,500 before the 28th of September in order to file our case and cover the first round of legal costs. If we reach our initial target on crowd justice, and depending on the response we receive from Cornwall Council, we may need to raise further funding for a full court hearing. Please help us protect Rame Head for future generations. Anything you can donate will get us closer to our goal. Thank you very much in advance for your generosity.